This is John Rodriguez with Massage Therapy Houston and MemorialWellness.com. Today, Dexter is going to help me do a breakdown of the yoga poses. This is going to be pose number 1 out of 19, a short video, just a little bit more explanation, and then you can go to other videos to see them as you have time. So please click like and subscribe so you can get more information. I'm going to show you the pose today. We're on number 1, so just hands over your head. You can pause the video if you want to look at this, and then to get a printout, just go to the website and click on the stretching and yoga page. So this pose is pretty simple, and as I've mentioned, these are not necessarily difficult, but they're things that we don't do on a regular basis. So we're going to loosen our shirt so we can get hands over heads. Pretty simple. Now what I'm feeling, I just want to go up as I'm comfortable, not go any further than feels comfortable, and then I'm just hands up as far as I can reach. I do these anywhere from 7 to 20 seconds. Sometimes if I'm busy and I don't have time to really do it for 20 minutes, but if I have 20 minutes, then I'll take 20 minutes doing all the poses. So pretty simple. Number 1, hands over your head. Just feel a stretch in your arm and under your shoulder, and hold that for, I don't know, 5, 10, 20 seconds. So that's number 1 out of 19. Please click like and subscribe, and we'll have more information and more videos. John Rodriguez, Massage Therapy Houston. Thanks, Dexter.